Back to another day. It looks like the range is about 2%. Okay, looks like it's rising now in the pre-market. So the alert for now I'm going to set up here, and we'll see where it's at right before market opens. But I wouldn't get in right here because you got this major resistance. I usually look at the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours before the market opens. So that's right here. So I'm going to set an alert right there as well. And if it breaks this level, then I'd go short. If it breaks yesterday's highs, it's got a lot of potential resistance points right here because Rivian's just been doing very poorly. There is a chance for like a big recovery today. Okay, we got 1 more minute here before the market opens. I got my calls ready, puts ready, expiration in 3 days. Okay, big drop right on market open. Let's get my call order ready. If I'm buying 22 calls, that's 2 levels out of the money. Open interest looks good. I'm just getting my orders ready right now. So I have $400, enough to buy about 7 or 8 contracts. Let's get my puts ready as well. If you do the 20.5, it's priced at 0.45. So I'll have enough for about also 6 or 7. If you can see, the spread is just insane right now on these, and which happens sometimes like right when the market opens. So if I get in right now at 0.45, that would be a very dumb thing to do on the ask. 0.16. Like if I'm getting filled at, let's say, 0.25, you could immediately take a big profit there. I'm thinking about doing this move where I basically try to get in at a good bid. 0.25 I think has a chance, and then trying to sell right away at more towards the ask in a 0.35. I've never done that before. Looks like it's having a clear recovery here. Okay, so we'll see if it breaks here on the long side. Okay, so it did break right there. Let's see, this is 7 contracts. Let's give it 1 second to see if we have a fake out over here. So if it crosses this line right now, I would go for a long position, but I give it a second usually just to make sure. So a lot of people are thinking right now, this is the resistance, it got rejected, let's short. When it doesn't break right away like that, it's when you really got to be careful. Okay, so now it broke that high, so I did go long. And it looks like my order did not get filled at 0.49, and now it's already at 0.54. It rose so fast that I missed it. So I'm going to cancel this order. And right now it's already at, I would get filled at a much higher price if I did decide to go in on this. Okay. I'm going to get in. Okay, I got in at 0.56. And I would cut my losses right below this swing right here. So I'm going to set an alert there. This would be my first profit target right here. Okay, so I'm in with 7 contracts. Right now it's at 0.53, and I got in at 0.56. And if it hits this level here, I'd be selling a little less than half, 3 contracts. We have 0.58. Okay, we're at 0.59, 0.61, 0.62. Okay, I'm looking to get out with 3 contracts at 0.67. Okay, we just hit my first take profit target. We got filled at 0.67. I'm gonna move my alert up to where I bought it at. And for the rest of these contracts, I'm gonna set a stop loss, which in options called a stop limit order. So this is 4 contracts. I bought it at 0.56. So that's my limit price. And then the stop price, that's where this gets triggered, is 0.58. That's basically going to protect my money. So now I know this is a profitable trade, tiny profit, but a profitable trade, and it's risk-free for the most part. I say the most part because if this is dropping super fast, it's possible that it's just going to miss the stop loss with options at least, and it's not going to get triggered. So I got to still watch out for that. My next profit target is where this resistance is right here. This is the level I'm looking at. This used to be a support, now it could be a resistance. So I'm going to set an alert right here. Right now, the ask is 0.74, so this is a 30% gain. 0.77, still rising. What you need to do with Robinhood sucks, I know. You got to cancel this order first, and that takes like 5 seconds before these contracts show up so you can sell at your next profit target. But I have 4 contracts. I'd be looking to sell 2 of them on this level right here. Okay, it's getting close, so I'm gonna cancel this order, refresh the page, and now my contracts show up here. So I'll sell 2 at 0.89. Review. Okay, it's already 0.92. Let's do 0.91. Submit. So we're up 60% right now on 0.89. So I've placed order for 0.91. It's currently 0.90. Okay, reached that. Let's see, 0.94. So this got filled. So now we have still 2 contracts left. We sold our second 2 shares over there. And again, I want to protect these 2 contracts that I have. So I'm going to set a stop limit order, 2 contracts. My limit price, where I bought it at, 0.56. And my stop price is a little bit higher than that, 0.58. And again, there's not, like looking at the old levels here, this is the first time it kind of broke this new high. And so this is a really good sign for a potential big recovery for Rivian. But I'm sure the RSI is super high right now. People are definitely looking to go short after a big rise up like that, when it's up already close to 5% on the day. 0.69 now, getting close to that 0.58. So this morning, I definitely could have had a better entry than this line right here, but my order didn't get filled. I was trying to get in around right here, which is a 1% difference. All right, not looking good here. Definitely want to watch this to make sure that this gets triggered, because sometimes, like I said, it doesn't if it's dropping really fast. Okay, the bid is 0.58, so this might get filled here. Okay, it got filled at where I bought it at. So I'll mark that. All right, so that's not bad for if you like to make $100 if your account balance is only $400. So basically, this morning I tried to get in here. Had to cancel this order because I didn't get filled. Tried to get in at 0.49. It quickly rose up to I think 0.52 or something like that. By the time I got filled on another order, I got filled at 0.56. Oh, so I actually did make a tiny profit on that last sell because they filled at 0.58. So $107 profit, but percentage wise, so that's about a 28% gain. I think I'm good for the day now. Just end it at that, move on, and do something else with my life. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.